the word restoration really stood out to me and hit me in a different light. It hit in a different way because it reminded me that I am a testimony. I am an example of restoration in the deepest sense of the word. Um, I'm coming up on the 4-year anniversary of losing my husband. And if you know me or you followed me, you've probably heard me talk quite a bit about him over the last 4 years. We were together for 21 years. So all of my adult life up until I lost him in 2021. And his loss broke me, or so I thought at the time. I felt very broken. I felt very lost. I felt very confused. But day by day, sometimes hour by hour, sometimes minute by minute, I kept going. And sometimes I don't even know how I kept going other than taking it minute by minute some days. But eventually I learned to breathe again. I learned to laugh again. I learned to love again. I came fully alive. I returned to life. I restored my life, my vigor, my passion for living, and my love of myself, love of others. And I think I am the right person, the right messenger for restoration. And I wonder, as you're listening to this, are you in a season of restoration? Are there things that have died or are dying that need to be let go, need to be mourned so that you can be reborn in some way, better, brighter, more loving than you were before? So perhaps this is a signal. Perhaps you're hearing this because it's time for you to get to the business of restoring the glory that is you. Take care.